Are we recording?
And he is a master at building things. And he's very talented at, just building things.
Okay, so we're going to put this thing up?
It's really hot here in Lancaster, so our friend Evan here is going to put up the magic mesh screen door, and we're going to see if it works.
That's going to keep us.
Do you think the bugs are going to stay out this way? Now Rodrigo's convinced.
He's like, yeah, I believe in it.
Maybe if you put something on the bottom of it.
You got it? Can you
No.
reach?
Okay. Everyone's gonna be so jealous of us. You look so cool.
What are you using there?
Hot glue gun. Dual temperature. Elmer's brand.
Only a white person would.
Pink edition.
Wow, what kind of gun?
I have a hot gun. I have a hot glue gun just laying around. Ready to do arts and crafts at any time.
Ready to get crafty. Josiah! What you doing? I'm using the hot glue gun.
You're gonna glue all of it?
Yeah, you glue the outside edge. So the bugs can't get in. Duh. I always wanted to be a star.
It feels better in here with that open, huh?
Yeah, it really does.
That's hot. No, it works, but there's just like a little gap. It just kind of.
That'd be so cool to have a fire thingy there.
I don't see any holes. Big gaping holes.
Try to walk through it.
Try to walk through it.
All right.
Walk through it. Walk through it.
Ta-da!